If you are integrating AI into an application, you have probably come across LangChain and Spring AI. A common question I see is, should I use LangChain or should I use Spring AI? In this video, I won't say one is better than the other. Instead, I will explain what problems each one is designed to solve so you can make the right choice. Both LangChain and Spring AI help you build AI-powered applications, but they come from very different ecosystems and design philosophies. Most confusion comes from trying to compare them at the wrong level. LangChain is primarily designed for the Python ecosystem. It focuses on orchestrating AI workflows, chaining prompts, tools, memory, and retrieval. It's very powerful for experimentation, research, and AI-centric applications. Spring AI is designed for developers already building applications using Spring Boot. Its goal is not to create AI workflows, but to integrate AI cleanly into their existing systems. It follows Spring patterns, configuration, dependency injection, and clear boundaries. This is the most important difference. LangChain starts with AI and builds application around it. Spring AI starts with an application and adds AI as one part of the system. Neither approach is wrong, they solve different problems. LangChain fits naturally in Python based environments, especially where AI is the core concern. Spring AI fits naturally in Java and Spring Boot applications, where AI is one of the many capabilities. Forcing either tool into wrong ecosystem usually leads to frustration. LangChain makes sense when AI orchestration is the main focus of your system. It's great for rapid experimentation, proof of concepts, and AI-driven products. Spring AI makes sense when AI is part of the larger application. If you already have controllers, services, databases, and business rules, Spring AI integrates naturally. It helps keep AI from leaking into every part of your code base. A common mistake is trying to pick a winner. The right question is not which tool is better, but which tool fits your problem, team, and ecosystem. If you want a complete step-by-step guide to Spring AI with real examples and proper design, I have covered it in a full Udemy course. You will find the link in the description. Thank you.